Rabani Fragamo. Many of you are wondering why I am dressed like this. It is because I feel a bit cold, because our Abba midwinter is in town. Dear men, to avoid stories that touch, if you do not want to have a fractured neck, no matter how broke you are, never take money from your woman's purse or bag, even if you are offended for her. Talk to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, don't touch her money, don't touch her money. Can I preach here? Can I preach here? Brethren, be focused. If you want to fill in the gaps in your life, you need to let go of the all in your life. You need to rebuke the devil. Be wise and create a new balance and channel your energy into something more productive. Somebody say yeah. Somebody say yes sir. Yes sir.
Continue.
Yesterday was the birthday of my former boss, Barry. I asked Barry what he wants as a Class 40 in Louis Vuitton or Versace. Barry said no, that he wanted a cat. I went to the vet and bought Barry a cat. And asked Barry, where should I bring it to? Barry said, I'm in a Lagoshe, close to Eco Atlantic. Please bring the cat here. No. Can I shock you? Can I shock you? I got there and saw Barry and his younger brother Kenneth, and suddenly he introduced me to his new wife, Vicky, who happened to be a notorious slay mama back then in school.
And so what?
I began to wonder if Barry was next on the list to scam and ruin his life. They were all cuddly and all loved up, and all I could remember was that new video when the video was given G. Immediately, I asked his brother Kenneth, bro, can I see you in private?
You know when?
We walked away and began to converse. I asked Kenneth if Barry and Vicky had kids. He said, no, they were still waiting for the fruit of the loom. Oh, sorry, for the fruit of the womb. Can I preach here? I told Kenneth that Vicky had series of abortions back then in school and most likely would not be able to have kids. Kenneth could not hold back what he heard. He got up, went to meet Barry, and guess what?
What happened?
And he revealed Victoria's Secret.
Hey!
No. Yeah. And I'll see you next Sunday. Can you fuck off?
You are mad internationally.
Bye-bye.
There is God.